Welcome. In front of me is an iPad mini from 2021, and today I'll show you how to connect an Xbox controller to this device. So if you have one of these and you, for instance, want to use it for gaming, maybe with like GeForce Now or any kind of game, then this is actually fairly simple to connect it to. Simply navigate to your Bluetooth settings, so find the Bluetooth button, hold it, and then simply hold it again. And this will show you a list of different Bluetooth devices accessible. At this moment this is turned off, so I'm gonna turn it on and hold the key to start pairing it. This button obviously right here. Just quickly try to get the light so you can see it. So there we go, there's the button. Once you hold it, this will start blinking more frequently, and you should see it right here. If you don't, you can tap to go to settings, and that's probably the reason why I don't see it. It's because it's already here. So forget device, and I can actually show you. So give it a second and hopefully it will show up right here. Okay, let's just hold the button again because it is not pairing right now, and you can see right up here automatically. Click on it and the light should stop blinking and be stable, as you can see right here, and that's it. So from now you can basically use your controller, although it looks like it can't really do much apart from taking a screenshot. So yeah, I don't really see much functionality on the home screen, but obviously in games will automatically detect this and it should work just fine. Additionally, things like GeForce Now will work as well with this, or Stadia, so there's the benefit of it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.